We've left our comfort zones. We've entered the discomfort zone. Dr. Lisa, leaking tampons, it's all you.
You mean you haven't had any tampon tears or anything like that?
You know what? I've never had a tampon leak in my entire life.
Well, a lot of women deal with what I call tampon tears, either tampons getting stuck or the leaking, which you actually saw in that video. I mean, that just will ruin your day, absolutely. I mean, if you just think about it, if your clothes are, you got to run to the bathroom, you got to figure out if you have another change of clothes. And what can happen is a lot of times either when you're sitting down, it can seem really slow. So if you just
so we're going to pretend this is the vagina?
This is the vagina. This would be the blood, even though it's blue. Okay. Yes. And then you have your tampon inside there. So while you're sitting, you're not noticing much. But then when you stand up, it just all comes down. And what can happen is maybe this tampon isn't the right fit. Maybe you didn't actually place it in the right way. So the thing to do is to try different size tampons because during your cycle, you're going to have different amounts of flow. Sometimes it's going to be heavier. Sometimes it's going to be slower. If you're more active, it's going to be heavier. So just experiment with that. And, you know, if worse comes to worse, sometimes you may need an extra panty liner or something like that. But the problem is this is just, it's annoying, it's embarrassing, and you don't want that to happen during your day. Now, if you do actually soil your clothes, or if you have kids that scrape their knees, I mean, blood is just really, really hard to get out of clothes. So we've got a special solution here. Basically, you want to take some window cleaner, because it has ammonia in it. You want to put it, I'm not going to get you.
After segment one, I'm not so sure.
You want to put it out of the clothes, and then you want to use just a little bit of salt. It acts as an abrasive, and you just rub it, and the blood will just come on out. If it doesn't, then you stick this in the wash, and it gets it started right away. You don't want to put this on a scrape, or obviously not down there with the salt and the ammonia. That's not a good thing. You'll be stinging and bleeding at the same time.
I don't know that glass cleaner really works well down there. So no, great tips.